Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my wonderful creative friends. Welcome to another exciting tutorials on quick tips and tricks in Photoshop that I've embarked on. And in today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to convert image or photos or pictures into a pencil drawing or a sketch work in Photoshop. So if you are a type in which you always send your photos to someone to draw it using pencil for you, then I got a solution for you. We are going to learn how to convert it using Photoshop to convert it, your pictures or image or photos, into a pencil drawing art or sketch work. So without wasting much time, let's drag the photo drop it into Photoshop. Now it's there nicely. Ctrl J to duplicate the image nicely like this. Then we are going to invert the image using Ctrl I to invert the image nicely. Now it's being inverted. Now we are going to set a blending mode for this. Yes, we are going to set a blending mode for this. And then the blending mode we are going to set for is a color dodge. Yes, a color dodge. After setting it to color dodge, you see everything turn to white like this. That is what you want. Now we'll convert it into smart object. Right click and then convert to smart object. Boom. Once it's done, okay, it's done. So we are going to blur it. We are going to blur this image again. Go to filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. Then we blur it 36 pixels. Yes, 36 already there. I set it already, so it's there. So 36 pixels is there. Then we are going to the adjustment layer. Then we go to levels. Nicely like this. Level comes. Then let's push this side to something 50 or 63. Good. 63, 65. Okay, let's use the 63. Is okay. And then let's push here to 0.59. Better. This is exactly what we want. Good. So this is what we want. Then we are going to merge all the image, all the layers. We are going to merge them using Alt Shift Control and then E. Press them together. Then it's being merged into a new layer. Yes, it's being merged into a new layer. Then the next thing we are going to do is to go to filter again and then go to noise, and let's add some noise to it. 24 is okay, and then check if your uniform is checked. Take it from there to Gaussian and then set the percentage like 24 will be okay. Then click on OK. So guys, in simple way, this is how we have converted this picture into a pencil drawing or sketch work. Let me hide everything for you to see. This, let me group this. So this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. So guys, if this seems to be interesting to you, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, like, and share for more. I'll be bringing you a lot or more tips and tricks in Photoshop on this channel. So stay around and stick around and come back to watch more. I love you and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.